If you also want to go super viral on YouTube, then this video is for you, because inside today's video, the niche that I have brought for you has so many views that no person can even imagine. Wait, you won't believe it like this. First of all, look at this channel. It has uploaded only 14 videos and has gained 48,000 subscribers. And check the views on its videos. Your mind will blow. 1 month ago, a video was uploaded and it has 5 million views. Same, 1 month ago 5 million views. And in the same way, 1 month ago, 1 million views. And this channel was created only 1 month ago, and within 1 month it gained 48,000 subscribers from just its 14 videos. If you still don't believe it, then check the views of this second channel here. 922 million views, 756 million views, 590 million views, 507 million views, 298 million views. And this guy is also getting views in millions, and printing solid money. Inside today's video, I am going to give you a complete tutorial on working on this niche. So if you are new on the channel, then make sure to subscribe to the channel so that no upcoming video gets missed by you. So let's start the video. Now, to make videos like this, I have prepared complete prompts for you. For this, you simply have to go to my video description and click on the link and come to the prompts document. So after coming to the prompts, this complete master prompt that I have prepared for you, you have to copy it from start to end. And after fully copying it, you simply have to come to Google and type ChatGPT. After going into ChatGPT, you will simply paste this prompt inside its prompt box. You don't have to do any hard work. All the work will be done by ChatGPT because of my prompt. So ChatGPT gives you 15 titles, and you can make a video on any one of them. And whenever you enter the prompt, ChatGPT will always provide you with 15 different new titles. So now, first of all, you have to choose any one favorite topic from them. Just like this first title looks good to me, so I copy it. And after copying it, I will paste it into ChatGPT, and you don't have to do anything. Just simply press enter. I have fully explained everything to ChatGPT in my prompts. Now ChatGPT will make 60 scenes for you in a powerful way on this title. So until the scenes are being made, we will wait. So here you can see that ChatGPT has made complete 60 scenes for us. And now it is asking you whether you want motion prompts and image prompts on these scenes. So you will simply copy this line from here and paste it inside ChatGPT. Or you can also write continue and press enter. As soon as you paste this, ChatGPT will make 5 detailed prompts for you. And in the same way, by repeatedly typing continue, you have to get your complete 60 image prompts and 60 motion prompts made for all 60 scenes. So you can see how amazing prompts it has given us. This is the first image prompt. And for the first image prompt, this is the motion prompt from here to here. After that, ChatGPT has given us image prompts for the second scene. And here is the motion prompt for the second one. Here the third one has also been made, and after making the third one, it again asks you whether you want me to keep it continued. So simply from here, you have to copy the continue option and press enter here. Repeating the complete process like this, you have to get all your 60 scenes made from ChatGPT. Now see, scene 4 has also been made here. Now comes the turn to make their images, and after making these images, completely free of cost, we will convert them into videos. So to make images, first of all, you have to copy your complete first image prompt from here. And after fully copying from here, you have to go to Google and write Whisk AI. So you can see here that I have come on Whisk. You have to paste your first prompt here and simply press enter. So here your first image will start getting created. In the same way, by entering your complete prompts one by one, you have to get all your images made. Now comes the turn to convert them into videos. So to convert into videos, you simply have to go to Google and write Grok, and you have to come on Grok. And here you have to click on the Imagine button, then click on the Upload File button, and upload your first image here. And along with that, after pasting this motion prompt, you have to click on the Enter button. So within moments, your first video will start getting created. So see, your first video has been created here. And what an amazing level of animation it is. Such animation requires a whole team of animators. And I have taught you to make this type of videos with AI. So after the complete process, you have to get all your scenes made from here, and go to CapCut and do their adjustment. So I hope you liked today's video. If you liked the video, then make sure to like the video. And for my support, and to increase your knowledge, make sure to subscribe to this channel.